Hello, English learners. How are you? Hope you all are doing fantastic in your happy life. And welcome back to my channel, Sonia English Academy, where we are going to learn real life English. My name is Sonia, and I'm from UP. So today is the day 8 of my challenge of 30 days learning English, where I have taken an oath that within these 30 days I'm just going to reach that level where I can sound like a native speaker. And if you are interested, then you can also join my journey, and with me you will also learn. But you have to follow whatever I'm telling, as I will be telling you each and everything which I had followed and which steps I'm going to follow, because within these 15 days I'm going to tell you what I used to do to reach this level. And after 15 days I will be telling you that what I'm going to use to get the fluency at the level where I can speak like a native speaker, right? So today is going to be very important, and it will change your concept of learning, as you will not be having confusion that what to do, because lots of things are there at home only where you can learn. With them you can learn a lot. You don't have to go to any institution, any coaching, any teacher. You don't need anything. You just need consistency, passion, and courage to admit your mistakes, to be consistent on your mistake. And no, I'm not asking you to commit mistakes and to be continue on your mistake, but I'm just asking you, we have to accept the reality. We have to accept the things that we are committing mistakes, because mistakes are not your enemies, they are our friends. If we think that we will learn from them, if we don't learn from mistakes, then these mistakes becomes our enemies. If we learn from mistakes, then the same mistakes become our friend forever, because every mistake comes in our life to teach us. So mistakes in spoken, they are also teaching us to do better, to correct them, and to do better in spoken, right? So today I'm just going to tell you what I used to do when I was the beginner. I used to describe the things. Yes, you heard it right. You might be thinking that I always say no, these are just very simple things. Yes, you heard it right. This is the most simple thing in the journey of speaking that we always do. We all should try. We shouldn't only watch the things. Whatever is seen by our eyes, we should try to describe them. First, in the beginning, we should try to make one or two sentences, and as our level grows, we should increase the quantity of sentence making. And at initial stage, we should try to make one or two two sentences, and then after 4 to 5, then 6 to 8, then 20, then 30, and then we should try to explain the thing, to decide one thing for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and we should increase the level of describing the things. I'm not going to ask you just to describe a thing within 2 or 3 sentences. Yes, this will be the thing, but it will be in the beginning. By the end of this activity, when you will do the same activity within for 15 to 20 days. Initial stage 1 or 2 sentences, then 10 to 15, then 20 to 30. Then when you reach the level that you can speak about the things for a long time, then don't count those sentences. Then try to speak on one thing for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Try to increase the quantity of sentences, then the quantity of minutes, right? That you will really get surprised when you will improve, when you will grow in this activity, when you yourself will feel the growth. you yourself will feel the growth, that how much growth you are getting. For example, if I say that this is the marker, one sentence, then in the beginning I'm just telling this is a marker and this is green in color, and its color is green, and it is white from here and green from here. What is written here? V is written here and Pilot is written here. This is made of Pilot company, and a whiteboard, this is whiteboard marker. And what is written here? And this whiteboard marker board master. So it is the cap, and I am opening the cap, and now I'm fitting the cap, right? And here is the portion, here is the place where the ink is filled, and its length of writing the words in the sentences, whatever you want to write, it lasts for 2 to 3 months, because it is not a simple marker, it is V Pilot marker, right? You can speak a lot. For example, I'm just going to describe this thing. What is this? This is a bottle. And you can not only describe the thing, you can ask the question, then describe the thing. What is this? This is a bottle. Which bottle? This is a water bottle. What is this? This is the holder of this bottle. And why it is there? It is there because we can hang it in our finger, right? And it is steel, and this cap is made of steel, and something is written here also, and vacuum flask, right? And this is a small in size, its size is small. You can make one sentence in a different ways. For example, this is a small bottle, same sentence, the size of this bottle is very small, and it is as much small as we can have it in our purse, right? So I love this color because this color is a white, and its color is white, and white color is my favorite because it is the symbol of peace. And I'm also wearing the white dupatta and white lace, you can see, and there are strips, white strips on my shirt, right? And now after that I can explain, this is a fan. Now you might be laughing that what I'm doing with this, with such a small fan, it's of my son. We can describe this also. This is a fan, this is a fan, and it's very small. This is its size is very small, and it is yellow in color, and yellow, it is the mixture of combination of yellow and green. Some part is of yellow, some part is green, and here is a flower at the center of this fan, and it is very small in size, and we can carry it in our purse, because it's not only a toy, it's a original fan, and we can have air. It's not only a toy, it's a original fan. And whenever we go outside in scorching heat, we can have it in our purse. And whenever we feel that heat is not bearable, then we can have it in our hand, and we can have air whenever we feel, right? So this is the thing, I'm just asking you, don't see anything without describing them. If you would like to describe, then you will explain it at the initial stage. In the beginning you will explain in a small and simple ways, but when you will continue to explain to describing the things, your mind will give you different sentences. The formation of sentences will be improved, the construction of sentences will also be improved, and you will come to know, you will realize after some time that the sentence formation has been improved, and now you are making a bit longer sentences. Because in the beginning you will make simple and small sentences, then the sentences will be longer, and then after you will be able to speak speak full paragraph, right? And we can explain that this is the window and it is made of wood, and there is a lock and its color is brown. I like brown color, and this portion is of glass, and inside this window there are iron rods which are made of iron, and the color of the rods sorry, the color of the iron rod is white and it is a square, right? So we can have lots of things at our home only. There is no need to go outside to learn anything, because nothing in this world is impossible. If you think that the things are impossible, then they will be impossible. If you see the things are possible, then they will definitely become possible. It only possible, impossible is only in our mind. If we think the things possible, they will seems to be possible. If we think the thing impossible, then the things will become impossible. So, speaking is not just about speaking perfect sentences. In the beginning, every speaker once was the beginner. A few people are lucky enough to have the atmosphere of English speaking people, English environment. Not all the people are as much lucky, as we are living in a in country like India, where 80% people, if I am not wrong, 90% people born with Hindi speaking people, non English speaking people, and within that we can't be able to speak. But lots of people are speaking, lots of people, the girls from the villages, they are coming out and speaking, they are trying to speak and they are improving, and they are on YouTube where they are teaching like a fluent speaker. They didn't have background, they didn't have environment, but they have learned, because English is the language which can be learned at any place, in any environment. The one thing which is the needed, which the only thing which is needed to learn to get fluency, that is only your determination, your consistency, and your passion. If you are passionate, you can have the example of lots of people once they were beginner. Priyanka Chopra, I listen in one podcast where Priyanka Chopra, the film actress, she was saying that she didn't know how to speak. The accent of her was not very good, and she had Hindi speaking environment. And now you can see that how good she is at speaking, how inspirational she looks while she speaks. And I am also from Hindi medium. Not a single person in my family, in my relatives, is like who can speak English. But I'm speaking, and I don't say that I'm very proficient, I'm very good at English. No, I'm not saying this thing, but I'm saying that's why I have taken a challenge that within these 30 days I will reach that fluency, and I am 100% sure that I'm going to reach that fluency. I'm really very passionate, because I was a teacher, but for last 4 years, I'm at home. I used to work very hard on other skills. Someday I will definitely tell you what I used to do in the within these 4 years, but I couldn't get time, because I'm a single mother. My husband is out of the country. I have a son whose responsibility is only on my shoulders. Each and everything of my home is done by me only, whether it is the market work, it is the household work, the cooking, dusting, cleaning, washing, each and everything is done by me. That's why I don't get much time, and all the things are one side, and my son is at one side. He takes all my time, and I happily gives him time, because he is my responsibility. But I was thinking that I should take out some time to improve my spoken, because my spoken, once I was really a good speaker when I was the teacher. I used to be a teacher, but within these 4 years I couldn't give time to practice speaking. because after marriage you have lots of responsibilities, and when at this initial stage of your marriage you can't give much importance to you. You have to sacrifice a lot of things. You can't manage time for yourself. First of all, you are very curious to make your image a very positive image, and lots of things. I don't want to discuss them. Within these things, within these circumstances, I couldn't give time to my speaking. That's why I decided that I will be uploading the real content, where I will not take retake. I will just upload simple content, and whatever will be coming in my mind, if I will be fumble, I will be in front of the camera, because I want to improve, and I want to remove this hesitation which I have, now in my mind. When I start speaking, I get hesitant, but I don't want to be hesitant, because I am just trying to restart my career of teaching, and I'm about to face the interviews, where I supposed to be a good speaker, because what happens in these days, in today's world, if you are not a good speaker, you are not good at all. English has become such an important thing, such an important aspect of your life, that has become the part of your life, that if you are not good at speaking, you are nothing. Really, doesn't matter how much hardworking you are, how much talented you are, how many skills you have, they all come later. English speak comes first. That's why I'm asking you to have a habit of describing the things. Improve. If you want to grow, if you want to have a status, if you want to be confident, then try to speak. Take an oath like me, that as I have taken, I don't know, people will laugh at me, and I'm not looking very good. I really don't care. I just want to speak. I just want to improve my spoken. Who cares if people will laugh at me? I really don't care. I know who I am, right? So I don't know why I told you all these things. I was not about to speak on these things, but I wanted to make you realize that English has become such an important language. It is no longer a language. It has become a part of our life, a part of our personality. You are judged. We are judged on the base of our speaking. If you are going to face an interview, you will be judged only on your spoken. So start today, not tomorrow, because tomorrow never comes. No some other day, no tomorrow. These days are not there in the calendar. Only today is the today. Do whatever you want to do. Try to take one step in the beginning. You will make mistakes. You will do lots of wrong things. You will be fumbled. You will be hesitate. You will not be having confidence. But try to start from this simple sentence making. Make simple sentence. Don't wait for the moment that then you will become perfect, then you will start. No, perfection will never come if you will not do mistakes, not make mistakes. Make mistakes. I told you that in the beginning you will make only 2 3 sentences. That will also be an achievement. But these 2 3 sentence will be in the beginning. Slowly, gradually, they will be more than 2 3, and one day they will be like a speech, and the day will not far behind when the day will come when you will speak for 5 minutes on this bottle. And today I can speak on this bottle for 5 minutes. Yes, I can speak. I am not here to improve my spoken. I'm here to improve spoken. Means I know whatever I want to speak. I can speak whatever I want to speak. I don't I'm not like I don't know what to say. I'm like I know what to say. I just want to reach the fluency. That is my passion. And with my passion, you can also do wonders. So the video is getting very longer, and time to get end this video. So tomorrow we will be there with the different activity, with different energy, and with the different aspect of our life. So till then, and wait, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because when you subscribe my channel, it feels really happy. I feel inspired, and I feel to make more and more and more. When I get sleep, I only one thing is goes in my mind, that I have to make video. I should speak like this, I should speak like that, and I used to speak lots of things. So I don't want to end this video, but I have to end this video because it is going to be longer than 20 minutes, right? And so catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, and just have a smile on your face.